how to begin relieving the stress of your disorganized papers or feel stressed about your papers. This is the fastest way, easiest way, and best way to relieve that stress quickly. And that's beginning with your critical papers and information, all the really important papers and information. Because a lot of times what's stressing us out is the fear of not being able to find what we need when we need it. So if we start there, you will find so much more peace and freedom and confidence, and you'll have so much energy to deal with the rest. It's just amazing. We are starting with our most critical papers and information because that's going to give us the most relief. The paper piles are not the problem. The overstuffed file cabinet is not the problem. The problem is that you are afraid you can't find what you need when you need it, and or your loved ones might not be able to find what they need if they need it. So that is usually our biggest pressure. We don't feel that sense of control. We don't feel like we can adequately respond to an emergency, or we don't feel like we can make appropriate life decisions, big life decisions, and it'll stress us out. So that's why we're starting with our critical papers and information.